What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a video with these guys. We're going to be making $100,000 today. So if you don't know how we're going to do that, we're going to get the new time bomb, because each time bomb costs, like, if you sell a time bomb, they're both $2,025 bolts, right? So if
2,600.
if you duplicate them at the new shredder,
I have a time
no,
bomb.
not with the new
inventory.
Not with the new shredder. Not with the new shredder. That's not.
Oh.
Alright, we can use that. We can use that. But we need to get some rubber duckies.
Okay. What do you need this?
No, we don't need that. We don't need that.
Okay.
The time bomb's just gonna explode if we put it in there. So we can't do that. So we're going with a pickaxe in case anybody tries to hurt us. How'd
What are you guys doing?
Oh yeah,
Alright,
we're
so
trying to
do you
make
want me-
$100,000 using.
That's
the
what
time
I
bomb.
have. I have 105.20K. That's how much I have. I need $1 million.
Million is crazy. Well, we can help you. We can get you. We can get you enough.
I need
can
one
get-
more research point to get the RPG.
I already got the RPG, bro.
I need one more research point.
This is no PvP. So are we duping or no?
I want to dupe.
Yeah, we're duping. We're duping. We're duping a.
Guys,
time
I got a
bomb.
red flashlight. I
We're
got
duping
an
time
apple.
bombs.
I got an apple. I have an apple.
We're duping time bombs. So
Oh.
how we're going to jump into the office map. We're going to get a time bomb.
You know what? I'm
Wait.
just gonna go retrieve it real quick if I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, get her.
Get a backpack. Get a backpack, guys. Get a backpack so you can put rubber duckies in there. Cause you need rubber duckies to like actually duplicate it.
Me?
Oh. Where are we going?
Office. We're gonna go to
Oh,
office.
I'm gonna get a pick. I'm gonna get a grappler.
For what? What's wrong with my area?
All right. I also need a grappler. Can I have a grappler too?
Okay. You can have. Okay, let me buy you a grappler.
Okay. Nice. All right. So we're gonna wait until it gets to the office map there.
Where are you guys?
I'm at office.
I'm at office too, but I can't find anybody. Yeah, me either. I got a time bomb. Well, how do you get the time bomb in your bag? I can't get in my bag.
Did you hear that explosion?
Yo, I found another time bomb.
I've gotta go back.
Wait, what are you doing?
No, you guys are here. Nice. Let's go.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Where is it?
Where's
Over
the-
here.
it's gonna spawn
Over
in-
here, guys.
in 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
What is mine? 35.
Oh, 149.
Turn it on. Turn it on.
Go, go, go. Let's go.
Turn it on.
Who closed it?
Turn it on.
Follow me, follow me.
Man, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Guys, way back. I found the way back. Let's go. No, he left us. He left us.
No, I couldn't.
Oh no. You still got your time
Bro,
bomb. You still got your time bomb,
What
right?
time bomb?
You got a
What
time bomb. You got a time bomb.
I don't
right?
have a time bomb. I don't have a time bomb.
Oh. Well, I guess we lost all of our time bombs. Well, we need to get one fast. You know what? Actually, how about I just go to office? I'm gonna go get a rubber duckies. I'm gonna go get rubber duckies. You go get the time bombs, okay? You go get a time bomb, okay?
Like, how do I do it? Like, sorry.
Stop hitting me!
You're the, I'm not hitting anybody.
Are you guys making it back?
I'm back.
Oh, you guys made it back. My time
Or-
bomb didn't make it.
Yeah, my time bomb didn't make it either. Alright, guys, I'll go get the rubber duckies. Can someone go get me, like, a big bag to get the rubber duckies?
Alright, I'm gonna go back.
You can go back.
Guys, can I show you what I have?
Can you give me a big bag so I can get the rubber duckies? Or someone can go with me.
Yo, can somebody go to the office with me?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, well, you can go. I can go.
Who? Guys, I got this. What is it?
You don't need that. Alright. What is my time bomb at? Oh my gosh. 35 seconds. Alright. What is my time bomb at? Oh my gosh. Someone go get a
Where's my
time bomb.
friend? I got a time bomb. I got a time bomb right here. It didn't blow up. It's good. Look it.
Alright, nice. We can use that. Someone.
I just left and rejoined.
Guys,
No, I was so close. I was literally so close. I got one. It's okay.
Look
I
how
got one
close
right
I
here.
was.
Look.
Alright, nice. Alright, someone.
I got
Does
one
anybody have a big bag that's empty? Someone go get a big bag that's empty, and then go
I
get
can buy
rubber
one.
duckies. Alright, can
I
you
can
buy me
buy
one?
one.
You can go get us a. Like.
I'm gonna go.
What
do I do with this time bomb?
So I gotta
Don't give that
put
back!
that in.
Give that back! So like, I'm gonna go get rubber duckies. Someone can go with me if you
What
want.
is this? Oh my god, look at this.
Anybody want to go get rubber duckies with me?
Yes, please.
I'll go get rubber duckies.
I'm coming with you.
All right, you can go with me. I don't care.
Wait, do you need a flashlight?
No, I don't need a flashlight. I can already see.
Yeah, I have everything too. And the elevator's already open for us. You better come in.
All right, nice.
Oh, what do you think? That gold door is the next update probably, right?
Yeah, it's probably gonna be the next update.
Because my friend's a moderator, and guess what he said the new map is gonna be?
What?
A small world and a big world. Can I get the crate? Never mind.
Oh, a shotgun! Just in case. Put that on her hip. Put that on her hip. You have hip swaps, right?
Yeah, I only have one, so I can.
All right, you only
Where'd you
got
go?
one?
Oh, there. Look, it's on my hip. It's on my hip right here.
All right, nice. All right, over here. Over here.
Wait, it's not open for me.
Open it. Ah! Is it open now?
Yeah, it's open for me.
Okay, let's go. You gotta go over here.
We're not supposed to go down. Oh yeah, down here for the deck.
So if you get a full bag of rubber duckies and I also get a full bag of rubber duckies.
Oh, do not go in there. That's the scariest. Wanna
Yeah.
go on the roof and go kill him?
No. Let's go over here.
Yeah, he's just. Bro, turn down your volume to next to him. He's so loud.
Yeah, I turned on my volume. Can you open that door to
Okay.
see what's there? Opening. All right, get your shotgun because I heard. No, use your shotgun. Nice. I'm coming back.
I got an RPG from the crate.
Yeah, I know. I'm coming back, okay?
I got your stuff in a safe spot.
Where is it?
It's like, you know where we open the door?
Oh, like where the office is? Like where the key card is?
Do you know where the guys were? The guy was when I opened the door.
Yeah, I know.
He was? Dude?
I'm still here. Where is she?
Thought that I opened the door next to?
Bro, I'm stuck here. I'm literally stuck.
Stuck where?
I'm stuck with this monster. I'm stuck with the robot lady. Can you take my stuff and get it over here?
I can't. Yes. I'm coming back. Coming.
Nice. Now give it. Does it have my grappler inside? Nice. Big flashlight. Ah!
Look what I got.
Nice.
This is what I got. I got an RPG.
Alright, let's go back. So
Why is my back so heavy?
in case you see the monster, get that RPG out, bro.
The next spot?
Yeah, the next spot.
I'm gonna just go pew pew. Okay, should I just shoot it? And never mind, he's not. I'm not gonna do that. Okay, he probably respawned, so stay on the roof.
Yeah.
My shotgun's not loaded anymore.
I
Wait, we should need that to like dupe it.
No,
Like in the
we're
machine
using
with the ducky.
we're using the time bomb.
Oh yeah, that's right. You didn't mean to open the door?
Yeah, open the door. I'll stay on the ceiling. Grapple up on the ceiling.
Hey there! There he is! There he is!
We got him, nice.
Grenade! Grenade!
Alright, use that if the monster's also there. We're going to the rubber ducky area.
It's in there. Get on the roof. He's in
Alright,
there. He's
we're
in
at the
there.
rubber ducky area.
Oh, there's no rubber duckies in this. Get up. The next one's in this room. Good.
Did you see the map?
I'm opening the map. Okay, so who's yellow near us? I see myself. Who's yellow?
That's the mine. That's what to mine.
Wait! Monster coming near us! Monster coming near us! Red! Red!
Yeah, I see. I thought your Oculus died.
Wait, where even is he? It says he's near us. He's not near us anymore.
Oh no, never mind. He's right there. What do we
We're
get?
good.
Saddle. We don't need
Duckies!
that.
Duckies! Over here! We're duckies, never mind. Oh, there's duckies over here.
Yeah. Let's get the duckies.
You have to get 10.
No, we have to get like as much as we can.
Let me get them, Wait, I have to empty out my bag. We need a little bit more. How much do you, oh, it shows where the monster died, so he's not there anymore. Wait, he's not there anymore. Let's wait until it despawns so we know where he is.
Shall we open this
Whoa,
door?
oh, he's coming near us. He's red. You see that red dot on my watch?
Yeah.
Yeah, wait, what is he near? He's like near a yellow thing.
Well, that means he's behind that door. Because there's no more things over here.
I'm not opening that door.
Oh wait, no, I don't think he's over here. I think he's like this way.
He
He's
comes
not
from
on,
over here.
he's not on the map anymore.
That's good. He's not on the map anymore.
Can you try and open that door?
Wait. I think I got an idea. Let me dump out my duckies quick. Do not steal them.
Okay.
Wait, let me do it all here so it doesn't roll down. Got my
Alright.
RPG out.
In case you see him. But don't explode.
Imagine I missed.
Ah! He's right there! Should
I shoot?
Yeah, shoot it!
Got him. I got duckies too.
Shield, we don't need that.
I got 10 duckies.
I'm gonna also get 10
We got
duckies.
enough duckies. No, not everybody doesn't. It's gonna fill up the machine, and we might have to get more duckies. Only one person have to get 10 duckies. We're gonna fill up the machine too much if you get more duckies.
Oh no, my pickaxe is up there.
A shield? Wait, do you have a time bomb in your bag?
No, you can't put time bombs in a bag.
I don't see any monsters nearby.
If my bag is full, then we're okay.
My bag is full, a little. That's good. Should you go over there? Get on the roof.
All right.
Oh
More duckies.
my god.
Okay, look, I got 2 company points.
I got a research point. Let's go. 5 research points.
Bro, that's so cool, bro. Ah, wrong way.
I'm gonna get the crate. Let me get the crate. You always get the crate. Let me get the crate.
I think we got enough little duckies. Let's go back. Oh my gosh, you got a starter.
Where should I put this? Should I put my duckies in here? No, this could be bad.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it can go on your hip, right? Can it? Oh, I can't.
We gotta just leave it.
Yeah. And it also, it's considered a bag, so we can't really put it in.
What is this? This is a new thing. Look at the ground.
Uh-oh.
What? Uh-oh.
There's a rubber ducky I mined.
I can get the dragon RPG.
I only need like 2 more to get like the ammo.
I need 6 to get the ammo. Next, so I get the RPG and then I can get the ammo after. Should we get out of here?
Sure. Yeah, we should get out of here. Definitely.
Monsters near us. Right behind me. Never mind, I don't see him anymore.
I don't see him anymore either. Shall we just go? Let's just go to the...
Yeah.
Let's go back to spawn. Let's go back to spawn, okay?
Yeah, I'm actually pretty scared, so let's go.
And with the time bomb, and then
Are you pretty scared?
No, I'm not really not scared. I've been here before.
I'm like a little scared. 5 recent things, that's so good. And I have 100K money.
100K?
I have an app on my inventory in the Galaxy RPG.
Alright, bro,
Wait,
let's just go.
Are we good? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Alright, nice. Let's go.
Get on the roof. Oh, he's near us. He's near us. He's right behind me.
I see him!
Oh, yep, I see him too.
Get him!
iPad. Yes.
You don't need
Wait,
that.
that's good. An iPad's good to like, but the watch is like. You think the iPad's good?
I don't see any
Let's go
more.
back.
Yeah, let's go back.
I found the way.
Oh, you found the way? Nice, let's go.
My map like glitched out.
Is the monster there? Yep, the monster's there.
Yeah, he's here. I'll get him.
Alright,
A clapper.
that's
What's it called
useless.
then?
That's useless, that's useless. You don't need that.
Why is it even a thing? I think I found the way back.
Oh yeah. That is the
Get
way
on the
back.
roof. Oh wait, no, wait. I think that was the way back.
Is there anyone?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, bro, you just gotta...
This is like a speed run to beat the office map. Okay, here's like this is
All you need to get is a key card and...
I thought we were going back. I'll get him, I'll get it, I'll get her. I'll get her.
Pogo. We don't really need that.
What if you make a big pogo?
No. Let's not do that. That's just gonna release the rubber
Where'd my
duckies,
pickaxe
kinda.
go? There it is. Where are you?
Right here. Trying to find a key card so that.
I found a key card, like, I think over here. We need some scrap, like scrap, like over here.
No, we don't need that. We already got rubber duckies.
No, it's fine.
Oh, I found a key card. I found a key card. Nice. All right, bro. Let's go back. Let's go back to get the time bomb. Okay. Let's go back to get the
Where
time
even
bomb.
are you?
I'm over here.
No, I'm following you. Ah! That scared me. RPG!
All right, bro. Put that in your storage. Put that in your storage. Let's go back. Okay.
That's so lucky. 3.
Yeah, bro.
So much times in a row. I'm gonna get.
Back. Yeah, bro. Do
I'm
you
gonna
know
put this
anything
RPG in
about
my
music?
inventory. I can play that song on piano.
Huh? What song?
You know the one in the main lobby in the new office map? You know the song? I can play it.
No way you can play that on piano, bro. I don't think
I don't
anybody
have a
has got
piano.
that memorized.
I don't have a piano in my house, so I can't do it.
Okay. Like, all right.
I
we're back.
could do it if I had a piano in my house.
All right, nice. Let's see. I got 20
Should I
rubber
unlock the
duckies.
RPG?
I got 19 rubber duckies. Okay. We don't need this. All we need is our back. Get a time bomb.
I'm gonna go unlock the RPG, okay?
Okay, I'll wait for you.
You wanna come
All right.
watch
So
me?
now that we got these, we are so good. Bro, we are so good to go.
Are you still in the lobby?
Yeah, I'm still in the lobby. Is anybody else?
I'm in the tech.
Is anybody else still in the lobby? No, it's just us. It's just us, bro.
How is it just us?
I guess those people didn't want 100K or something, or 40K. And also credit to Dane Towery, whatever that guy's name is. You also can't shred it. So you can't shred it. I knew that for a long, long time. Like since the update was out. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, what's good?
I unlocked the RPG.
Can you talk? Can you talk?
I can talk.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna make like 40K today.
Okay.
You can help us if you want.
In a second.
You have a grappler, which is perfect. We're going to like duplicate like time bombs, and then we're gonna sell those duplicated time bombs.
Sure, we can do that. I can do that.
Yeah, bro, you're gonna get 40K today if you're wondering.
Bet. So I can buy so much broccoli so I can get big.
Yeah. So you can get big. I can't afford the broccoli.
I can. Well, I don't have enough.
If
only have
you're
271, it costs
lost.
400.
So we're waiting for that guy to get his RPG.
Okay.
That guy's probably just coming back right now from like... That guy's probably coming back from the RPG. The RPG's right here and the exit...
I already unlocked it. I unlocked it finally.
Nice! You unlocked it.
Yeah, I can prove it. What? Weapons?
I have.
I
four
only need like 2
RPGs
more to
in my-
get like the...
Yeah.
I have 4 RPGs in my stash.
Celebration!
Dang.
Nah, bro,
Let me
you
go
just wait for
anyway.
that RPG in seconds. Alright, bro, let's
I
go
need to
sell it. You
unlock
have
the ammo.
get the time bomb. Get the time bomb. You have the time bomb. You can put the time bomb on your
Yeah.
hip if you're wondering.
I don't have the pip thing.
I have
Yeah, I
a
don't-
time bomb.
He has the hip thing. He only has it for one though.
Look it. Wait. Go on my hip.
Yeah, there. Nice. Now let's. You don't need that. You don't need that. Okay, you don't need that.
I'm at about, bro, we're gonna overfill the machine with ducky because we have 19. That's too much.
No, we're not gonna overfill it.
I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
All right. So I'ma just let's go to office.
We need
Let's
normal
go to
items
office,
to make it
guys.
fill too. We need like scissors to make it fill too, like normal items, sorry.
I gotta get.
Oh wait, you can help us. You can help us with because you can carry like.
How much stuff do you have unlocked? How much stuff do you have
I
unlocked?
can carry 20 stuff.
But we're doing this with the time bombs. You can help us with the time bombs. Bring the time bombs back to spawn. So guys, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, should I go change my avatar? I look hideous.
Where did the other guy go? Where'd the other
I don't
guy
know.
go?
I'm changing it. I'm changing my character.
Bro, where did the other guy go? Other guy, where'd you go? Where'd the other guy go?
Hello? Hello?
Oh, you're still there? Where'd you go?
I accidentally looked at the
I
TV.
changed my character.
Cat.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go with the rubber duckies.
Wait, what about my grappler is in my inventory?
I can't afford a pickaxe if I need one. Do I need one?
No, you don't need
You
one.
can have one. No, we don't. We already have ducky, so we don't. You don't need to do anything.
I have
Oh,
a time. I have the time.
All right,
bomb
he
in
has
my,
the time bomb. He has the time bomb.
No, I
So
have
let's
the time
go.
bomb. I have the time bomb.
I have the time bomb in my stash. Do I need to bring it?
I have a spinny hat. Do you have to do anything?
Guys, come on.
Do I have to bring my time bomb?
No, you don't need to bring your time bomb. He only.
I already
He
got
has
one.
one.
It's fine. I already got one.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's go to the little shredder.
Guys,
Or,
we
like-
need some scrap to fill the other machine up. We need some scrap.
No, we don't need that. We don't need.
Yeah, you need it. You need it to fill it up, or it won't work.
No, we already got rubber duckies. We already got rubber duckies,
No, you
so
need,
it's okay.
You need the other stuff too. There's like 2 lines to fill up.
No, on the. I watched another video on that guy. He only filled it with rubber duckies.
Well,
So this is where we're supposed to be. I don't have a weapon, so I don't think.
I get it.
All right. Get it. Get it. All right. So we gotta go over here for shredder, okay, guys? Let's go for
Let's
the
go.
shredder.
Ooh, I have a revolver in my stash. So hold on.
Oh! No! Do it quick!
What happened?
I accidentally closed the door on accident. Let's go, guys.
The selling machine. Guys, should I go kill him over there?
No, please no. No.
Oh, he's right there.
My
Hi,
volume my volume is max, so I don't want to get like a heart attack.
If you do, I'm gonna sue Animal Company.
Alright, guys, let's just go.
He's over here. He's over here in this area. Get up.
Oh, he's right
He's in
there.
the corner. He's in the.
Get him, get him.
He's up.
No, he died.
I died.
No, he died.
I died.
Uh-oh.
Well, get on the roof, buddy. Wrong area.
Hello?
We can stay
Over
there.
here, over here, over here, over here. Bro!
Nice.
Over here.
So you got the time bomb, right?
Get up
Put the
there.
time
Get up
bomb
there.
in here.
No.
Put the time bomb in here,
I know.
okay?
Okay, I know.
Nice. Now all we need to do is just get up here and put in the rubber duckies. Tell me if it's full, okay? Tell me if it's full.
Okay. Wait, I can't. No, wait, not yet. I can't find the place. Not yet. It's full.
Oh, it's full. Nice. All we need to do is get the key card.
One more.
Okay, one more.
Yeah, it's full.
All right, bro. I'm gonna put in the key card. Yeah!
Hello?
I don't
We got so much time bombs.
Hello? We got so much
Let's
time
bring these
bombs.
back. Let's bring these back. Bro, are you still there?
Are y'all
How are we gonna bring these back?
Oh, you're coming back. We got time bombs. We need
How are we
help.
gonna bring these back? That's too much.
No, it's not too much. It's not too much. I got one on my back.
Hello?
So wait, I'm gonna.
We're at the shutter area. We're at the shutter area.
You're at what?
No, we're over here. I'm right here. Over here.
I missed. You missed.
What are you guys doing here?
What the?
Huh?
What are
Look,
you
I just
doing here?
hey, Black. I just joined a random code. Don't mind me.
Wait, guys.
It's Rob.
Does anybody want to duplicate?
Dad.
I'm already duplicating. I just duplicated, bro. I just duplicated.
Dad, I'm hungry.
Can you teach me how
Dad.
to duplicate?
What?
Dad, I'm hungry.
Bro, who's
Can you
hungry.
teach me how to duplicate?
Hey, you don't hit my dad.
Hey Purple? Hey Purple.
Yeah.
Can someone give me a
Hey, Lisa.
graph?
Black, you too.
Can someone give me a graph?
Guys, somebody ask
Ah,
me
yeah,
if they want
motherfuckers.
to do-
If you wanna dupe, join the code. I'll let you know.
Home.
No.
Home.
XC.
I'm coming back, guys. You're still there, right?
Yeah, but the next spot is in like the place like where you sell the stuff with the ducks and scraps and stuff.
Oh. So, I can get him.
I'm trying to get him down here. I'm trying
The grapher is still there, right?
it so he can stay there. Instead of killing him. Well. Yeah.
And I also don't have a grapher. Can someone just bring me a grapher? Like, I need one. I really need one.
I don't
No way.
know where to get. No, I don't know where to get one. Sorry.
I got revolver ammo. I'm coming back, by the way. You guys are selling more stuff, right? This isn't where I want to go.
Wait,
Bro, I gotta come back before my stuff respawns, bro. I despawn.
I see your grab.
Get my Grappler! Get my Grappler! Please, 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 please.
I can't do it. He's at the grappler. The next spot's at the grappler. He's coming in.
I can get it, don't worry.
It's going away.
I'm already here with no Grappler, okay? Okay? I'm probably
I got the
I'm probably a dead man. Yep.
I got the grab.
Give me my Grappler now. Give me. Oh, no, no, no. Give me. Give me.
In the area.
I see it. Wait, never mind, I don't see it.
He's right.
Give me your Grappler.
Just get me your Grappler. Give me your Grappler.
No, I spend all my money on this, okay?
I'll give it back to you. I can't do it. I can't do it. No, 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 no. I can't do it.
I got the grappler.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, please.
Go. Get it.
Ports, I love ports.
Where did my thing go? Oh, time bomb.
No, the time bombs are respawning. The time bombs are The time bombs are respawning. Are despawning. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, please. You need it.
Despawning.
You need it.
Get it. Despawning.
You need to sacrifice your backpack. You need to sacrifice your backpack. Please, you need to. You need to.
I'm not sacrificing my backpack.
No, I'm gonna sacrifice my Grappler. No! 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 I'm not gonna be making make it back.
Go, Daddy. Let's go with grappler. He's fun.
Alright, I had to sacrifice
I'm
my
just gonna
Grappler.
throw my grappler. Ready, guys? Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! No, my grappler!
It keeps falling.
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm not good. I'm not good.
Where did my time bomb go? There it is. Oh, no, wait. There's my time bomb.
Bro,
Where are we going to put these at?
I can't. I don't think we're gonna be able to get back up. I don't think we're gonna be able to get back up.
I got a grappler.
Oh, how about this? How about this? I grapple my
Please,
way up.
you need that.
and then-
Please,
and then I
please
drop-
get that. Please get that.
I'll drop it. I'll drop my grappler.
Yeah, drop your Grappler. Drop your Grappler.
Never mind, you don't. How is the guy go?
Are you guys down there? Alright, you got a time bomb. Nice. Don't put it in there. Don't put it in there.
Where are you supposed to put it? I'm waiting all day.
Alright,
How do you been waiting?
we're going to put it in the cell machine or our stash.
Guys, what's the point of just getting time bombs?
Where's the other guy? Where did the other guy go?
He's right there.
Where? I don't see him.
He was literally just up there.
Alright, I'm gonna have to sacrifice my grappler.
How much did it cost? How much did they sell for?
We're not.
I don't know.
Each of them are 2,025, by the way.
Can we just sell them now?
Yeah, we're gonna sell them.
Yeah,
We're gonna
well,
go
wait,
back,
back.
okay? Be patient.
Bro, you don't have a grappler? Oh, that sucks. Oh, he's back, You guys, the NPC's back.
No, no, no. I'm not gonna be able to make it back up. We're gonna have to sacrifice that time bomb, okay? Are you guys still there?
I'm still here. Guys,
Where are you? Please, because we
died?
don't have a weapon at all. We don't have
Yeah.
anything. We don't have
died.
anything.
Someone took my grab.
Why can't we just sell them?
We are. Oh,
It doesn't look like it.
Can
we
you come
are.
back and sell?
We're going back, okay? Come back if you actually want to sell it. We can't. We can't. Ah. No, you're so good. You're so good. Bro, what? Where is this guy going? Blue, you're still there, right?
Yeah, because he's out.
You don't need that. Bro, just come back.
You go do your stuff. I'm gonna go pick the. I'm gonna grab those. Give me.
Bro, they already despawned. No, they didn't. No, you're not supposed to. Bro, no.
Stop.
Be quiet.
I thought you were gonna put it in. Alright, bro, I'm coming back. I'm going back to get this time bomb, okay? But I had to sacrifice that pickaxe, sadly. Bro, why don't I have hip swats? Why don't I have hip swats? Bro, I just don't want hip swats. They're just too expensive. And I also can't go. Bro, I'm not gonna be able to. I'm not gonna be able to. Bro, come back. Please come back. I see you on the map. Please just come back. Please come back. Please come back. But no. Please come back. Please come back. No. Please come back. Please come back. No. He's not gonna be there. No, he's not. Bro, are you kidding me? Bro, are you serious? He's not there anymore. Are you kidding me? Bro. Well, I'm gonna put these two stuff in my bag. I'm gonna put these two in my bag. There's another guy. No, are you kidding me? So we're not gonna be able to do this video. We're not gonna be able to do this video. You know, I don't think I'll even post this. Oh, you're back. You got time bombs. Right. Alright. So we're gonna get all the time bombs. And then we're gonna put it in here. We might not make 400k. We might not make 40k. That's okay. Put it in. Put it in.
Hold on.
You still got more?
Alright, so?
So, sure.
Let's see the money.
Alright, bro, let's see how much money we're gonna get. That's not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Now
Yeah,
I can buy broccoli.
Do you still have more time bombs?
No.
Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get one more time bomb so that we can get like some more money. Don't need that. Still good. We're still gonna be able to make it. We're still gonna make it. I know we're gonna make it. Alright, bro. Nice. What are you doing? I should probably just buy company coins with my own money and get research points. I can get this one, but if I get that one, I'm gonna waste all my money. I got $40 in my bank account. Probably I can get this one. No, I can just get this one if I can. Yeah, I can just get that one. So we got another time bomb, which is good. I'm gonna also get another one. See what we're gonna make. Alright, I got 11K. I'm gonna see if I can get some more.
I got 71.
71. 71?
Yo.
You know what, actually, I'm gonna just go get some more. I'm gonna just keep grinding.
Meet King Kong. Ah!
I'm gonna go get another time bomb. I can go get another time bomb, okay? You can also go. We don't need that. All that I'm really worried about is that I got a ticking bomb on me. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna make it in time. I am not gonna make it in time. I'm probably not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I know I'm not gonna make it. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Are you still there, bro? Alright, bro, he's not here with us now. Yeah, at least we still got some money. So that's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching this really long video. If you liked it, then like and subscribe if you like it. And I don't know the people that are in this video. I don't know their YouTube channels, but they can probably just comment on this video, right? If they can find it anytime soon, right? So, thanks for watching this video. And have a good day.